Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Domo using API credentials, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Domo using API credentials, start by logging into your Domo account. Navigate to the admin settings by selecting the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the admin settings menu, locate the API section. Click on API to open the API settings. Here, you'll find options for managing your API credentials. Select Create Credentials to generate a new set of API keys. Fill in the required fields, including a name for your credentials. For the permissions, choose the appropriate level of access necessary for your application. Once you have completed the form, click on Save to generate your API key in secret. Make sure to securely store your API key in secret, as you will need them for authentication. Next, open your preferred development environment or API client. In your request headers, insert the API key in secret using the appropriate authentication format. Typically, this involves using the authorization header with the bearer token syntax. To ensure everything is working, perform a test API call using an endpoint provided by Domo. Check for a successful response to confirm that your authentication is set up correctly. If you encounter any issues, revisit your API settings to ensure that your credentials were input correctly. With successful authentication, you can now interact with the Domo API to access and manage your datasets. This concludes the step-by-step guide for authenticating with Domo using API credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.